Hey guys, welcome back. I am Justin, and today I will teach you how to cancel an order on your TikTok shop. If you've found yourself in a situation where you need to cancel an order, this tutorial will surely help you. So let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok application and make a purchase. Choose an item you'd like to buy, tap on it, and proceed to checkout. Select your preferred payment method, and then tap on Place Order. Now, let's say you've changed your mind or encountered an issue and need to cancel that order. Simply navigate back to your TikTok shop and locate your orders on the top menu selection. Once you've found the orders menu and select what you wish to cancel, tap on it to open the details. Look for the option to cancel the order. It should be displayed below the order details. Tap on it to cancel the order process. Follow any prompts or instructions that pop up to confirm the cancellation. Once you've completed the process, you're all set. The order will be cancelled, and any associated payment will be refunded accordingly. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.